This is a game character named Quiet. This is the mid-body section. I tried to print this several times as one piece. It had the legs attached and it failed on me multiple times, so I had the modeler cut the legs, and we actually had to put another tool type belt on the other leg just to give it a line where we can cut it at and still look respectable. You got a flat surface here with a keyhole. You could put that on the build surface. This one here, you couldn't do that because you got this bottom of the gun holster. I'm going to try to set this up so that we're going to print off of here, and off of this surface. Have 4 contact points. This key is going to be cut a little bit. Let's see what we can get here. We're going to push this model down because we don't need that full key. It's really just a matter of tweaking your model at this point to get all your points of contact. Nice. And I don't want to hit the arrange button because that's going to push the model back up. We almost have contact there and there. We're going to put a little rotation on this model this way. Okay, we don't have that yet. We're still a little short there. A little short on the other side. Let's rotate this way. It's really just a matter of looking. Let's see, we got to pull this back a little bit more. That looks good. We got a contact there, Let's push this model down a little bit. Just slight movements here. I'm gonna say that's a go. Just a little air gap there, but I think we can live with that. Alrighty, I'm going to do a tree support on here, and we'll see what this thing looks like. So we're back to our supports. Let's see what we got here. I don't think we're going to hit much supports because there's not really any hard angles here. It's going to come up and catch these points. I typically wouldn't want to do tree supports under a big bottom surface like that, but don't really have much choice with this model. There's our, see, this did generate some supports in here, so I'm not sure what's going on with this, but whatever, we'll see how it comes out. Everything looks pretty good. Maybe if I had changed my raft size, it would have came up from behind and caught this point. I got a lot of support underneath this leg. I don't think it's actually touching the leg. I think it just came up to catch this tool belt edge here, which you can see slightly there. I don't think there's actually much contact in this leg. Coming around, like I said, I think these trees are just coming up to grab these sharp angles. There's underneath the gun here, there's underneath the tool belt. I'll go back and look at this. It's just catching all these points. So 1 day, 22 hours. A little painful, especially if it fails, but I've gotten to a point where I don't lose too many. Don't lose too many these days. But that's why I have 9 printers at the moment. I don't have to wait 2 days for something to finish to move forward. Alright people, happy printing.